The all-new Toyota Prado has achieved a 5-star ANCAP safety rating across its model lineup following its introduction to the Australian and New Zealand markets last month. Rigorous local testing highlighted strong performance across all 4 key assessment areas, including scores of 85% for adult occupant protection, 89% for child occupant protection, 84% for vulnerable road user protection, and 82% for safety assist. Designed to meet the highest safety expectations for Australian and New Zealand roads, the Prado demonstrated robust performance across all major safety categories. Crash Test Insights. Adult Occupant Protection. The Prado performed admirably in frontal offset head-on crash tests, with the majority of critical body regions receiving a good rating. However, some areas, such as the driver's lower leg and chest, were rated adequate and marginal, respectively. Despite these minor deductions, the Prado's overall performance remained strong. Child Occupant Protection. In tests simulating second-row seating for children, the Prado achieved good ratings for both child dummies. The SUV secured maximum points in this category, showcasing its family-friendly design and commitment to younger passenger safety. Vulnerable road user protection. The Prado's design and AEB systems provide robust protection for pedestrians and cyclists. Scoring 84% in this category, the vehicle demonstrated effective collision avoidance in various scenarios. Safety Assist. Equipped with cutting-edge safety technologies, the Prado excelled in proactive measures to prevent accidents. Features like post-crash multi-collision braking and speed assistance systems contributed to its 82% safety assist score. A safe choice for Australian families. With its impressive crash test results and suite of advanced safety features, the 2025 Toyota Prado offers peace of mind for drivers and passengers alike. Top-tier safety features. Standard across all variants of the Prado are advanced safety features that showcase Toyota's commitment to passenger and pedestrian protection. These include airbags, dual frontal, side chest protecting, side head protecting, and knee airbags for both driver and passenger. Center airbag provides additional protection in side impact crashes by preventing head-to-head contact between front seat occupants. Autonomous emergency braking, AEB, detects vehicles, pedestrians, cyclists, and motorcyclists. Includes junction, crossing, backover, and head-on detection. Lane support systems, lane keep assist, LK, lane departure warning, LDW, and emergency lane keeping, ELK. Speed assistance systems, SAS, features speed sign recognition to keep drivers informed and compliant. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more exciting car reviews.